Hello and welcome to this Prodigy game tutorial. I already set up an account with a randomized name, so now we're going to go ahead and pick between home and school. For this example, we're going to go with home. Go ahead and use the mouse to click. And there's the math game and the English game, but the math game is more broadly advertised, so I'm going to go ahead and click play on that one. And instantly you're in this whole new world where it's currently reading aloud the questions to me, and I'm going to say I don't have a class code. It's also asking me where I live. I click United States, and then I go ahead and also click Massachusetts. Then this is where the children or the user get some creativity. They get to pick what their wizard looks like, which is really cool. There's some fun different hairstyles. The pointer is showing you what to click next. Then you can choose any world. I chose a random one. And then you're transformed into your own world. Newt serves as the guide, which is speaking to you the whole time. It's voiced in a fun little voice for kids, like saying this all. It's guiding me through the process. I get the chance to come up with my own name, which if you pick the first letter, it actually comes up with a bunch of options. For privacy reasons, you might not want to use your real name. You're now interacting with a monster, which will lead to your first battle. The pointer guides you of where you should press, and then you kind of catch on from then of you just continue to do that same thing. However, now you've run out of energy. So as the pointer is telling you to click on that, and you're brought with a new question. I clicked read aloud. The question was read out to me, and then I used the pencils on the right-hand side to guide me through my thinking process. I did 4 plus 3, which brought me 7, and then I was able to type in 7. And then it brings me back to the battle with more energy. As you can see, the pointer went away, but it's the same motions that it was before. Now, I won the battle, earned new stars, and it's brought me with 2 chests. Obviously, one chest is more appealing, however, you have to become a member. Then the other chest, you get the reward. That's something to keep in mind for parents and if they want their kid to be persuaded or not. Newt is once again talking to you and guiding you through this process, telling you about the magical guide hand, which is really helpful. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it'll tell me where to go. I'm introduced to all these new pets, and I get to choose my own, which will once again lead to another battle and another math problem. The child gets creative liberty, being able to pick whatever pet they like most. I picked this little bat because I thought it was cute. Newt tells you that the pet is grumpy and you actually have to battle your own pet to rescue it. Same thing as last battle. You have some energy, so you go ahead and use it on it. But now next time you're going to have no energy and you're going to have to complete a math problem. This says you have 6 blue shirts, 2 red shirts, and 2 green shirts. How many shirts do you have all together? I went ahead and used each color for the correct number. And then I got 10. And I'm going to write that in the little box. And I'm going to click Get Magic. And I can go back to battle. The pet battle is relatively quicker because you are able to rescue the pet. So now it's going to come up as an option as pet rescue, which you just click on in the bottom corner, and I get to claim my new pet. Once again, earned new stars, and once again going to be offered 2 chests. I've learned this time, and I'm going to pick the other one because I'm not a member. Once again, promoting the members. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful.